Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about my Boxy charm for the month of April. And yes, I know what you guys are thinking. My voice is a little different because I am getting over a virus. I don't know what it is, but it took over my whole voice and I didn't have voice for like a couple of days, and now it's back and I'm feeling a lot better, and I would like to film because I miss you guys so much and I am behind. But before we jump right into this video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do a lot of video reviews and tutorials, so definitely check out my past videos as well. Alright, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me there. I am trying my best to upload a lot of videos there. So I know I say I do a lot of tutorials, but I do it mostly on Instagram as well. So definitely check that out. But anyway, so this is what the Boxy charm box looks like. I already opened it, so it's really not an unboxing. But I did get the March box, and that box was actually really good. And yes, I did subscribe to Boxy charm because of the Pure and Boxy charm palette. So I was drawn by that palette, and I didn't want to purchase the actual $36 palette, so I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and subscribe, and here we are. Now I am hooked. So this is what the box looks like. If you guys don't know what Boxy charm is, it's basically a subscription type service where you do get 4 to 5 full-sized products depending on what they are, and you also get a pamphlet. Just like IPSY, you get a pamphlet of what you are getting inside here. And this month's theme is eye candy, so you do get a pamphlet like this, and they also give you discount codes in the back, so that's pretty cool. So what I like about Boxy charm is that they give you full-size products, so it doesn't feel like for $20 you're getting like 4 to 5 try-on size products or like sample size products. So these are actually full-size products, and they also give you the prices in here. All right, so let's jump into the first item in here. So the first item that I wanted to talk about is the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner Pores No More. So this is what it looks like. So this is a full-size item, and this is 1 ounce, and this is for oily to combination skin. As you guys know, I don't have oily skin, I don't have combination skin, I do have dry skin. So I did try this in here on the middle part of my face, and I gotta say that there is a cooling sensation when you apply this. So you have to leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes on your face, and it gives you that nice cooling sensation, and it closes out your pores. So I do like that, and it made my pores disappear. So I really do like that. But in the long run, I probably will give this away because this does not really work for the type of skin that I am. So, but this one is $47. So that alone pays for the box. The box is $21. So I'm still coughing, so it's kind of annoying. Like in the middle of me talking, it's like, so I hate that so much. And I apologize if you do hear that in the middle of me talking and like my voice starts to crack even more. That's why I have to stop and like repeat myself. So that's what it is. Alright, so the second product in here that I have is the Tarte Pro Glow. And this is what it looks like. And the one that I got here is called Exposed. So let me just show you. This is actually really beautiful. It is a cream highlighter, and that's what it looks like. It looks really nice. But I do have mixed feelings about this. I almost kind of don't like it because it just sits on the skin. This is actually what I'm wearing right now. It does look really nice, but the thing is, it's very hard to blend. So you have to work your way very quickly with this type of consistency because it dries on top of your skin, so you don't really have time to blend. And what I did was, sure enough, I took a lot of products and then I applied it on my cheekbones and I applied it on my nose area, and then on here, and it dried in between me applying it everywhere on my face. So that kind of annoyed me in a way. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. And as you can see, there's like still some residue right there, and I hope that it doesn't look that bad, but that's what it looks like. It looks really nice. The glow looks really awesome, and it's like kind of like in your face type of highlight. But the thing is, like, it's just not like, it doesn't give you enough time to work with the product, and that's what I don't like about this. But this one is $29, and this is also full size. And the next product in here is for the brows, and I'm so excited about this when I got it. And this one is the Browgal. This is what it looks like. So when you open this, it says this is the tinted brow gel with microfibers in it. So this is what it looks like. It has that traditional brush in there, but a really, really tiny, tiny brush. And this is supposed to build your brows, and I actually really, really like it. I did use this the other day, and it held on pretty nicely on my brows, except for the thinner part of my brows. That's the only thing. It's because I really don't have any brows there. I just have to build them. But all in all, I really, really like the concept of this. I really like how it did build my brows, and it made it look thicker and in a natural way. So I like it, and I'm actually wearing it right now. So it looks really cool. I love it. Alright, so the next one in here is from Adesse, New York, and this is a high definition liquid lipstick. So this is what it looks like. So this one has a nice doe foot applicator. It's like a nice flat one, so you can actually apply this all throughout your lips, and you don't have to go over it like 3 to 4 times because the product sits in the actual one. So that's what I like about it. But the color of this is actually really, really beautiful. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's not a matte finish. This is what I'm wearing right now. It has that nice thick coverage to the lips, and you can tell that this is gonna last all day. So I really, really love that too. It doesn't smell like anything, but it does have a little bit of a taste to it, like a lipstick taste to it, but it's very faint. So if you're sensitive to taste, though, you might sense it a little bit more than me, but I don't really mind it. But that's what it looks like. And this one is $24. And the Browgal, if I didn't tell you, the Browgal is $22. Alright, so the last product in here is very exciting. I think they always include a palette in all of their Boxy charms. But the product that I got here is this Colourpop one. And this one is Golden State of Mind. And every Boxy Charm subscriber gets one of this for this month, which is really, really cool. So this is what it looks like. So these are all metallic finish eyeshadows, which I have never been more excited about a metallic eyeshadow because I've been wanting to get this in a long time, and I'm so glad that it's included in this box. I really like it. So this is actually what I'm wearing today, and as you can see, it looks super awesome, and the pigmentation on these are really nice. So as you can see, they're very, very smooth. They look nice. The payoff is great. So I do love Colourpop all in all. So this is actually really cool. And this one is the Golden State of Mind is $26. Holler. So that's pretty cool, guys. That's $26. So let me compute this real quick and I'll be right back. So the total of everything that I got in this month of April's box is $148, and I only paid $21. Actually, no, I paid like $19 because I got the, I think it was like the 6-month promotion thing. You pay in advance for 6 months, and they send you a box for 6 months, and then you keep renewing it if you want to. There's a lot of ways to do it. I will put the link down in my description box so you can check it out, and let me know if you are a Boxy Charm subscriber and what you got and what's your favorite. So my favorite all in all in this box is definitely the palette from Colourpop and this Browgal. I also do like the lip gloss as a runner-up, but if I were to choose, these two are my favorite. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night or whatever you're doing, and I love you all. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and also follow me on Instagram. I love you all. Bye!